Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon so you told any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end and then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about the designs of cake in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing beautiful red velvet cake decoration ideas. They are suit both homeland and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way on the celebrations. I provide you simple cake designs for your birthday celebrations that is most sincere, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity are mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video. If you are interested in these types of designs, in these types of video, then please guys watch this video to end. And please share, like, comment on my YouTube video. If you have any question about my YouTube channel, then please visit my channel and ask me in comment box. All the designs are very unique and trending. Cake decoration ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are unique or trending. If you like more ideas or specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. You can use each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal showers, groom shower, anniversary or any other celebrations. Consider these theme decor matching the occasions. I hope you like this design with themed and color combinations. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decoration ideas or another celebration idea, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care of yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.